Once installed, the LastPass browser extension puts everything you need right in your toolbar, managing passwords, filling in credentials, accessing your vault, and adjusting your account settings. Let's start with Autofill. When you log into a site, your saved credentials fill in automatically. Got more than one login for that site? Just select the LastPass icon in your toolbar or the in-field icon inside the login form to choose a different username and password. Need to find something specific? Use the search field at the top of the extension to pull up any username, password, or note in your vault. From there, you can act on any item directly. If it's the right domain, fill it into the page you're on. Or, if it's not, launch it to open the site and log you in at the same time. You can also copy a username or password into your clipboard or use the three-dot menu to edit the item, share it securely with someone else, mark it as a favorite, or delete it. The extension organizes your items into 4 tabs. All Relevant shows every login that matches the site you're currently on. All Items shows all your items organized by folders. Favorites shows anything you've starred for quick access. And Recent shows the last 10 items you've used, handy if you want to jump back to something you've just filled in. Need a full picture? Select Vault and open up everything in a browser tab: passwords, notes, addresses, payment cards, and more. Adding something new is just as easy. Select the plus icon, choose what you're adding, fill in the details, and save. The extension also helps you stay secure. Select Generator to create a strong new password with customizable length and character options. Select Alerts to jump straight into your security dashboard where you can check your security score and, if you're on premium or a business plan, see any dark web monitoring alerts. Finally, the account menu is your control center. From here, you can fix a problem yourself, such as refresh your vault, clear local data on a shared computer, log out of LastPass everywhere, and export vault items. Back in the main settings, you can adjust your account settings, extension settings, or simply log out when you're done. Alright, well that's it for the LastPass browser extension. For more assistance, you can get help to access support.lastpass.com.